Hello and a warm welcome to this analysis. Today in this video, I've covered Pennar Industries. Pennar Industries is a small cap stock into the manufacturing of cold rolled steel strips, precision tubes, mounting structures and panels, precision engineering products, and warehousing solutions. Some of its clients are Tata Motors, Larsen and Dubro, Ashok Leyland, ABB, MRF, Ultratech, Siemens, Dr. Reddy, Reliance Retail, and so on. It has seven manufacturing units spread across Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra. The market cap for the stock is at 1,984 crores, a small cap. Return on equity is a 9.97% with a trailing 12-month PEG ratio at 0.40, which makes it quite an attractive level, not expensive at all. The working capital requirement is down from 93 days to 59 days. That's a phenomenal dip. But even after giving consistent profits year on year, they are not paying any dividend at all. No dividend seen from them. Promoter holding is 39.75%, FII holding 4.31%, domestic institutions are holding 0.35, very negligible, and the public holds 55.59%. Among the promoters holding of 39.75, there is a pledge of 2.8%. The stock has also come under the Piotrowski scanner of a high score in that. Now let's have a look at the charts. Now you can see on my screen the monthly charts. It was a phenomenal breakout in April of this year, April, July, the second quarter. From there, from this level of 7880, which was made in February 2018, from there we saw a dip down to 2 year dip, and then another 3 years to recover and push its way into all-time high territory. And ever since, we've seen a steady and a strong rally from this stock. Good consistent upside in the monthly. Support in the monthly is quite low, around 105, and then at around 90. So 90 to 105 is that monthly one. Basically, if 100 would not hold, then I would say that it has the probability of then retesting its breakout at 75. So 100 would be the monthly crucial level in my case. Let's have a look at the weekly structure. The weekly structure has got solid support at 122 to 115. This level you can see out here, long consolidation and then a sharp move up towards 147 right now, today's close of this level. Let's have a look at the daily chart. So in the daily also, the support is now at 135, and if 135 does not hold, then you can see out here from November all the way till January, there was a lot of consolidation in this zone and then a breakout. Prior to that, also from September till November, this whole zone from September to Jan saw a lot of consolidation in this area of 125 to 100, and then this breakout. So this 125 below 135 becomes a very crucial level. 125, 120, if that does not hold, then yes, that monthly structure of 100 support would come into play in that case, or the weekly one also. Now in the daily, we can see some kind of a wedge formation taking place. Too early to call it a wedge breakdown or anything, but something to keep in mind, that if it's a rising wedge, then it could see a slip down below 139 out here. Now let's go back to the weekly and see one interesting setup. Since that breakout above 79 out here, sorry, above 100, we can see a parallel channel flowing in the stock, from one end to other. And right now at the center of a parallel channel, right in the middle out here, currently placed out there. So a kind of a resistance. Also, as per the Ichimoku structure study of price theory, it is at a price theory target of 148 approx. So it's monthly, so it could vary a little bit here and there, but a kind of a resistance also in the parallel channel. If it starts to sustain above that, then the next possible resistance at 175, then at 200. So healthy upside if it continues to, and we can see in the monthly some solid green candles saw retracements and sideways. You can see in each case from October 22, one solid green candle followed by a pullback. Again, February 22, solid green candle, 3 months of pullback. Again, August 23, 2 months of pullback. But after that, the candles are not seeing any pullbacks at all. So steady rise. Uh, how would I go about this stock? Would be that I would wait for aggression above 150, sustaining and at least for a day or two to consider, or I would look at the downward accumulation zone because the stock is superb, as you can see from this breakout level out here between 130 to 135 to 120 would be this zone I would be looking at. Anything below 100 would mean that yes, the stock is going into a short to medium term correction. If that fails to hold, ideally 110 should hold, but any surprise or any thing like that, so global clues, anything might just keep a cushion till 100 in this case. So good stock to add on dips also, and or on an aggression upward with medium term good ratio. And if we go by just the monthly breakout, let's go back to the monthly chart. It's a strong breakout which happened after a very lengthy period of 5 years, right? 2018 to 2023. And if that continues and to grow in this case, we could see continuation of a strong uptrend. So one could keep on trailing it according to that. So I hope this video is of help to you. So please do like it, share it, and also follow me for regular updates on stocks. But a disclaimer before I wind this up: this is not a trading advice at all. This is just a educational video based on Ichimoku multi-time frame analysis. Whichever whatever your decision you be, please do a thorough study and calculate your risk, and always respect your stop loss. Until then, happy investing, everyone.